Okay, we're here at hole number 1, par 5 at Willowbrook. It's 483 yards. Little dog to the left. Mike is hitting his driver. Oh, great drive. That's beautiful. Yeah. So we're here at hole number 1. I'm going to hit my driver. Okay, Madonna's got 399 to the pin on this par 5 at hole 1. Good drive. That had some good height too. Good ball. Okay, Madonna's ready. She's got 296 still to the pin. Go ahead, hit. Don't worry about it. Good ball. Run. Run, 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 run. Good ball. That's still running. Okay, Michael has, I think, about 270 to the pin. Oh, that was a good ball. Would you hit the 7-wood?
Yeah.
Very nice. I know you love that club. Good job. It's 154, so. Don't worry about hitting your cart.
I understand that. But I can still hit 150 with this club.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Don't worry about hitting your cart. It's like the cart, there's very little chance you'll hit the cart.
Use left.
Oh my God, it's gonna hit.
Good ball.
Perfect. Okay, one more.
Good.
Okay, I got 121 to the pin. I'm actually gonna hit my pitcher wedge.
Actually looks good.
That should be right on the pin.
I can't see where it went.
It's on the back.
Just a little.
I think it went over the back, believe it or not. Good. You got about 85 yards to the pin from here. Nice second shot for you. Oh, crap. Not a good third shot. You hit it way too long. You're on the other fairway. What'd you hit?
58.
Okay, Madonna's got 45 yards. She got her gap wedge. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, just bounced over the hole. Okay, Michael bombed that one. He's like at least 60 yards away. Oh, but you put a nice ball there. Got it up on the green. Good job. Okay, Michael's putting here for a par. That's actually a really good putt. But now it's going to run past the hole. That ran past the hole. Go figure. Okay, Michael's got this for a 6. And he's got to start out with a 7.
6, 7.
Okay, this is pretty tough putt here. Just saw Michael. Just want to get up in the hill before it stays. It did stay. I think I'm still away. I'm still away. They put that pin in a tough spot right there. Okay, this is for my par.
Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. It's still rolling. I'll give you that one. You're up, Mom. Got to hit with some power. Not bad though. Here, you want to take this?
Oh, well.
Okay, this is for your par?
Yep.
For 5.
5. No.
Stop, 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 stop. Now you hit it with too much power.
I didn't hit it with power. It took the hill took it.
Okay. These greens are actually in very nice shape.
Oh, I didn't hit it enough.
7. Okay, we got that terrible hole number 1 out of the system. Par 4, 379 yards on hole number 2. Oh, that was a skyrocket.
Way to go.
Way right. Between those trees. Like where that pond is over there, to the right of the pond. Okay. Okay, so hole number 2 here is 379, par 4, hitting the driver. Oh, if that gets old, oh, that should be really good. I think that's going to be really good. Okay, we're here at hole number 2. The ladies' tee is playing 329. Oh, another good ball. Come on, Win, take it. Just got a little too much hype.
Yep. Keep it low.
Okay, so she got 246,
Ooh, and I kept.
and you get it high. That's what we didn't want you to do.
I can't believe it.
Okay, Michael's got 250 on his second shot. He hit that one really well. That's going to be cart path, maybe? Oh, I see it. It bounced to the left of the cart path before that post, before that pole. Okay, Madonna's got 184. Hitting, what are you hitting?
Right.
Okay. Oh, just ran it up the fairway. Okay, no problem. Still straight. Okay, we got 117 for Madonna. That should have been not bad.
Go right.
So I got 111 to the pin. I'm actually going to hit my gap wedge. Oh, come on, Win, knock it down. On the trap, though.
Oh,
Oh, just a little long.
go ahead. Nice.
Right on the pin.
Okay, Madonna's got 40 to the pin. She's got the gap wedge. Get up there.
Oh, I didn't give it at all.
Okay, at least it stayed out of the Woof.
You're good. Stay up. You're in the way.
I'll take that. Not bad. I'm taking that one out.
Okay, you ready?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, I'm chipping here. Get up there.
Now I have to go. You can
Yeah.
let Dad
I
finish
can grab
up.
the camera. Let me finish up. Let me see if I can make the par here. Kelly and Co.
Kelly and Co. putters. Okay, Mom, you're up. Don't forget. Texas wedge.
You filming it?
Yeah, why?
Pretty windy today. Not pretty windy, very windy.
That good or?
No, let me finish it.
Okay.
That's good.
Good putt, Mom.
Okay, we got 152. A little bit of a crosswind. Still gonna hit my 8-iron, which is my 150 club. Hope to leave it short. That might be just the right side of the green.
Oh, it went over.
Huh?
Eat your Wheaties today.
Eat my Wheaties, bro. Eat my Wheaties. What do you got?
9-iron.
9-iron. This guy's a strong man. Very strong man. He's got the 9-iron.
Oh, God.
Went way right into the other fairway, I think. Okay, on this par 3, Madonna has 105, hole number 3. Oh, not bad.
Still going right.
Stay on the green. Oh, just gonna roll off. Just rolled off. It's gonna go into the cart path. Crossed the road, actually. It crossed the road. Okay, Madonna's just crossed the cart path, so she's gonna chip up on the green. Get up there. Stay up there.
Work that ball.
That stayed.
Whenever you're ready.
Hit the ground. I'll just wait up there with you.
It's fine by me, right? Whenever you're ready. What are you, about like 40?
Roll up. You're on.
Good ball, you're on the green. I'll let you go putt first.
He's walking up.
Yep. Straight. Good. Yeah.
Okay. Same thing. You ready?
See if I can get mine into that group.
You're at least on the solid line here.
That's grouping too.
Yes, it was.
Yeah.
So that's a 4 for me.
Good ball.
We're here at hole number 4, 384 yards. Hit that tree and kick left.
No, don't hit the tree.
Okay, we don't know where that went. We're here at hole number 4, hitting the driver on this 384 yard par 4. Oh, watch this. That should be on the right side of the fairway.
Watch you can.
Okay, so Madonna has 284 yards to the pin on this par 4, hole number 4. Oh, good drive. Now run. Keep running. Oh, that thing's gonna run forever. I think that caught a little hill too.
Did.
Good ball. Okay, he's got 252 to the pin.
Ooh.
Oh, that might be all right.
Is it going in the sand trap?
It's running towards a trap. I don't know if it'll make it.
Okay.
Okay, Madonna's got 159 to the pin, but there's a little creek out in front of us, about 60 yards out, so she's just going to try to hit her 6-iron over. Or short of it. Stay short. Oh, no, it went right in it. That took a dive. Okay, I got 133 left to the pin. I'm actually going to hit a 9-iron. Be the right club.
Oh,
Just short, but I think it's pin high.
go ahead. Do you know how much you have from here? Nope.
So Michael hit from the drop zone, just a little short of the green. Don also hitting from our designated drop zone, up to 73 yards. Bounce up high on that hill. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, stay there. That's not nice. Okay, it stopped. Nice putt. You almost. Okay, I have about 30 feet for birdie. Oh, little on the amateur side. Ooh.
You got the natural
Can't read a green Bobby.
Let's see if we can make this putt for par. Oh, Bobby. Okay, so we got 117 yards to the pin on this par 3. Hole number 5. Oh, that's a good ball. Oh my God. Okay, you got 115 yards, 117 yards, excuse me. I'm hitting my gap wedge. Oh boy,
Whoa.
I hit that one. That's going into the junk. That was terrible.
Junkyard dog.
That was terrible.
You can still hit from there.
Yeah, I know. It's inside the fence.
I was like, where is it going?
I was trying. Okay, we're here at hole number 5, right? Par 3, 86 yards.
Dragonfly Alley.
Got the 8 iron. Oh, that might run up there. Turn right, turn right. Oh, it just caught the lip.
Be careful, Mike.
Okay.
Oh, no,
Hit the pin.
No, no.
Not.
I was pin high, just push it to the right. I mean, push it to the left if you want to go right.
It'll stay.
Okay, Michael just chipped up on the hill there. Donna's next to chip up. Okay, so Michael's gonna... Michael, I would putt from there. Why would you chip? Good chip. Oh, get in the hole. Get in the hole.
I love this putter.
Good putt. Keep coming, now turn.
Oh, look, it's turning the right way.
Oh, that was a great putt.
I like
Good
that
putt.
putt.
That was a good putt. Want to finish it?
Sure. We'll let you have a turn at some point.
At some point I'll get to play again. Nice putt.
I thought that was going to go over.
Okay, so we got about 20 feet for par.
Well,
Not bad.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
I'll put it in the hole anyways, just to
you want me to
Confirm.
kill myself. Bending over, get hurt, grab it. Number 6, 369 yard, par 4. Oh, that was a good drive. Nice and high. Should be right in the middle of the fairway. Good ball.
Weird shot for me.
Okay, so we got 369, gonna hit the driver. I'm trying to stay on the right side of the fairway. Oh boy, I hit that one higher than you did. Oh, the wind's gonna take that one into the way. Oh boy, that was terrible.
tilt it down? Do we know how much I have?
250.
250. Right down the middle. Good ball. Good ball, Mom.
Thanks. Was the distance?
181.
181.
Oh, crap. Well. Yeah, those tee boxes. Yeah, not bad.
Okay.
Okay, so I got about 180. I try to hit the 4 hybrid over the tree.
Or in the tree. There you go, right behind it.
Terrible.
Okay.
Okay, so I got 120. Got the 5 iron. I'm gonna try to punch it low. Hopefully catch some rain.
It's doing it.
Work out perfect.
Let's roll up there.
Get up there.
Okay.
A little more.
Little more.
Donna's got 131. She's hitting the 3 wood. See if we can get her up there on 2. Oh, good ball. It's got too much height though. It's not going to get up there. Good ball though. Good ball. It's okay. I don't see it.
It's at the top of this hill, tee box.
Okay. Okay, so he's sitting here too. Get it up close so you can make a par.
Not skull it.
Don't scull it.
Oh, for the love of God.
Okay, here's shot number 4. Oh my God, what is going on?
I don't know.
Oh, much better. Much better. Okay, so I'm off the green. I'm going to Texas wedge it. I just missed that completely. Okay.
Okay, now do that again and you should be in the hole. Oh, where's the roll to the right?
Oh.
You and I read that the same way. Good putt, good putt.
Nice putt.
After all those chips, horrible chips, I needed that. Oh. Whoa, I got it.
Good balls.
Good putts.
Almost gone in 2. 3 chips.
2 putts?
1 putt.
1 putt.
I checked.
Oh, yeah, okay, I see what you mean.
Okay, we're here at hole number 7, 348 yard par 4. That wind is just blowing strong to the left. Get past that corner. It did. It got past the corner, hit the like just past the car path. Good job. Okay, we're here at hole number 7. Just gonna try to hit a little draw over here.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that was a bomb.
No draw, though.
That was a bomb.
Eh. Good ball.
That is way down there. Okay, so Madonna's on hole 7. She's got 255 for a distance. So you can see we got cart number 2, cart number 55. Just played out that way, kids. We didn't rig it. Oh, good drive. Get down there. Start running. Oh, still going. And it came back towards the fairway. Very nice. Okay, good drive from Madonna. She got 122 left to the pin. I think she's hitting the 5 wood.
Yep.
Just jumped out of that a little bit, but it's still getting up there. It's close. Okay, so those drives were both right by each other, about 244 yards each. What'd you say we have left?
104.
104. So Michael's going to hit his 54 degree. Just tailed left Oh, just a little short. Okay. Okay, we got 104 yards. And I hit my 52, which is my 100-yard club. Oh, wind, bring it back, right at the hole.
Oh, right on the pin.
Just a little long.
Good ball.
Thank you.
38 yards left. Nice chip.
Or not.
Actually, it's not bad.
Oh.
You can putt from there. Okay, here's Chipper McGee. Gonna chip it out into the hole. Oh, close enough. At least you can putt. Okay, Madonna's gonna go Texas wedgie. She's gonna putt it from here. Hit the pin, hit the pin.
No.
Just a little short. I mean, a little long. Oh, great putt. Just need a little more speed. That's good. Okay, got a downhill putt here. Should break a little bit to the left, I'm thinking. Nope, went straight as an arrow. Straight as an arrow, Chief.
Oh, you decide if you want to putt that out?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, get in there. Oh.
Oh, hit the rim. Okay, let's see if we can get a par out of this. Nope. That's why you putt those, because those are easy to miss. Good putt. I didn't see it, I heard it. Okay, we're here at hole number 8. Wow, the wind just turned in our face now. I think we had the wind a second ago. Oh, that wind's gonna help that one. Look at that, right in the middle.
Oh, okay, that's not.
You couldn't have walked it out there and put it in a better spot. She's way back here.
Thank you.
Okay, so we got 304. I'm actually gonna try to hit that draw again. Every time I try to hit the draw, I think I hit it pretty straight. Oh man, did I hit that one high?
You swung out of your shoes on that one, didn't you?
It should be good.
I like this wind. This is good wind. I don't know where this wind came from. It's like when you get good water, though.
Good water. Okay, so we have hole number 8, 241 from the ladies' tee. Madonna's hitting the mini driver. Actually, may not be bad. Oh, that was bad. It hit the tree and stopped right on its root. Thank God we're doing the root rule. So we're gonna have to enact. Are you okay with giving Mom the root rule on this one? I think it's on a root.
I think it's on.
We're gonna give you the root rule. We're gonna actually let you put it on the other side where there's some grass.
Couldn't have got. Good thing it didn't fall in that hole,
Yeah, we've never found it.
right?
So Madonna's got 174. She's gonna hit 3 wood.
Yep.
Yep, just get it down the fairway. Oh boy.
I lost my grip.
That one rolled across the fairway.
We'll see. Watch it go left.
Okay, she pinned herself in a bad position. The green's on the right of these, to the right over there. She's gonna hit her 6-iron, which goes right. Oh, that's a good shot. Good ball.
As you can see, I chunked it.
That's okay. So Michael's got 118. He's gonna hit a gap wedge.
Oh, that's my.
It's just the wind taking it that way. It's the wind, because you hit that. You know what the problem is? You hit that fade, and it's just gonna go way left now.
You're also pretty much like 119.
Okay, so I'm 119. I'm gonna actually get my pitching wedge because that right to left wind. Oh,
You did the opposite of me. Stay out of the sand. Going to the beach.
okay. Madonna's got 70 yards left. Got the 9-iron. That might work out pretty good. Hop up now. Just needs to hop instead of run.
Nailing off.
It ran, skipped, and jumped.
Get out of the bunker, Bobby.
Okay, so get the 56. I just want to get out.
Oh,
And I got out pretty good.
very nice. Slow down.
We didn't need to do that.
Nope. Okay, so Mom's got probably at least a 20, 25 foot putt.
Oh, I can put in it.
Yeah.
Actually, that wasn't that bad. Top that one. It's like these little bumps again. Okay, this one should be a better putt. Just push that.
Almost.
All right.
Okay, we're here at hole number 9, 450 yard par 5. Should be all right.
Yeah, I don't like those.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Now I'm going to tee it a little low. I'm teeing it kind of high, and I think that's why I've been popping it up here.
Oh. I think I caught a little bit of that tree.
Yeah, I got through.
Not
Par
bad.
5. I want to be under 3 anyway. So. Okay, we're here at hole number 9. It's 401 yards. That'll work. Still running out there. Good ball. Remember, that's going to be above your feet, so. Okay, we got 302 left. That worked out pretty good. To make contact that far above your feet was very good. That's a good ball.
I'll take that.
That's a very good ball. I'll take that. So we have 223 crosswind. Playing terribly, so I might as well hit the mini driver.
Nice and easy.
Oh, that was a good hit, just way left.
Hopefully there's nobody at the driving range.
That's in the driving range. No wonder that guy. Oh, good ball.
Good ball.
Hit 273 and hit that 3-wood right up the middle. Still rolling out there.
109.
Okay.
That
Go.
might be a little long.
Oh, right in front of it, I think.
Oh.
Perfect.
I'll take that.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, we got 109. I'm dropping a ball here, even though I'm supposed to go back and get where I was. And I got 109 as well, and I hit my 52.
Ooh.
Put that way high and way low.
And I
Okay, Madonna's got 67 yards left, hitting the pitcher wedge. Oh, get up there. Need just a little more.
I'm doing Bobby first.
I'm chipping up with the pitcher wedge.
Oh, you're gonna hit my ball. Nope. You'll get the read though. Yep. Good ball.